If you want to turn off OneDrive on Windows 10 or Windows 11, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to stop OneDrive syncing on your PC, and I'll keep it quick, clear, and easy to follow. This is useful if you don't want your files backed up automatically, you want to reduce startup apps, or you just prefer to use another cloud storage service. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials. Let's get started. First, look at the taskbar on your Windows desktop and find the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, it may be hidden under the small arrow near the system tray. Once you find the OneDrive icon, click it to open the OneDrive panel. Now, in the OneDrive window, click the gear icon. This is where Microsoft puts the settings for the app, including account options, syncing controls, and other preferences. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the main OneDrive settings window, where you can manage your account and change how OneDrive behaves on your computer. Next, open the Account tab. This section shows the Microsoft account currently linked to OneDrive on your PC. It also gives you options for managing the connection between OneDrive and this device. Here, you'll see the option that says Unlink this PC. Click that option to begin disconnecting OneDrive from your Windows computer. This does not delete your files, but it does stop OneDrive from syncing new changes between your PC and the cloud. A confirmation box will appear. Click Unlink account to confirm the action. Once you do that, OneDrive will stop syncing on this Windows PC and the account connection will be removed from the device. After this, OneDrive may still be installed on your computer, but it will no longer actively sync your files unless you sign in again. If your goal is simply to stop OneDrive from running and syncing in the background, this is the safest and easiest way to do it. If you want, you can also go one step further later and disable OneDrive from starting automatically when Windows boots up, or uninstall it completely depending on your version of Windows and what you want to do. But for most people, unlinking the account is enough to turn off syncing. So just to recap, click the OneDrive cloud icon. Open the gear menu, go into settings, open account, choose Unlink this PC, and then confirm with Unlink account. That's it. OneDrive syncing will stop on that Windows PC. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows tips, fixes, and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.